Italy's antitrust authority has fined Apple €98.6 million, about $116 million, accusing the company of abusing a dominant position through the way it implements app tracking transparency. AT, introduced in 2021, requires apps to ask users for permission before tracking their activity across other companies' apps and websites for personalized advertising. Apple presents the feature as a privacy upgrade that gives people control. Regulators, however, argue that the system imposes an excessively burdensome path for third-party developers, often requiring additional consent steps, reducing opt-in rates and harming businesses that depend on targeted ads for revenue. The case sits at the crossroads of two powerful European priorities: protecting consumers' data and ensuring fair competition in digital markets. For privacy advocates, it has been a meaningful shift away from invisible tracking, forcing companies to justify and disclose their data practices. For parts of the advertising ecosystem, it has been disruptive, shifting leverage toward platforms that control operating systems and app distribution. Italy's decision suggests regulators are increasingly willing to question not only overtly commercial practices, but also design choices framed as privacy measures, especially if they appear to disadvantage rivals, while strengthening the platform owner's position. Apple says it disagrees strongly and plans to appeal, maintaining that AT applies broadly and is built around user choice. The ruling echoes similar European scrutiny, and it raises a wider question. When a platform sets the rules of the marketplace, can it also unilaterally redefine how data flows without distorting competition? The answer will shape how consent prompts are designed, how ad-funded apps survive, and how regulators interpret the line between privacy protection and market control.